Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can delete that coupon that we have applied in the previous video. So let's start the new session of this Magento. So let's begin with it. So let's go to the coupon code and just delete coupon code and go to the app code folders profit controller index placed and just open this. So this is for the delete coupon. We have already applied coupon in the shopping cart. See, we have already applied the coupon code of -8. Okay, so let's delete this coupon code. So I have just saved this coupon code, and everything is like no. This is the helper class is there because you don't need it. Helper, custom helper. Don't require it. Let's move below. Don't require it. And it will ask a coupon code. Same checkout section, get coupon code equal to apply coupon code. It's the same. Then we can set the coupon code to be blank and save all the items and all, else invalid coupon code. So let's run these commands and proceed further. Paste. Done. Let's go to the coupon code, that is this is post coupon code now. Let's put the new one, that is delete coupon. Is the name of that coupon is delete coupon. So let's check delete coupon. So we will test whether the coupon code is wrong, right or wrong. Invalid coupon in the error. Okay, so let's move to the next one, that is shop 90 that we have already applied. So let's going to delete this coupon. Success. Okay, so let's check on the front end if it is 20, it is 16. Now what is the grand total? It's 24. See, we have successfully removed that coupon code via programmatically, or you can say via REST API in Magento 2. So hope you will like this video, and please do share, like and comment so that I can upload more videos on Magento. So don't just go just like see and just remove. If you do, if you have any queries, any feedback, just please share with us so that I can upload, I can modify it, and I can improve it, and I will take get some more videos for you. Thank you so much, because I'm taking I'm getting working too much hard work on getting this video for you. So please do share, comment, and subscribe so that I will be motivated and get new videos for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. And if you have any query, just put in a comment section. Thank you so much.